Hello, my friends. It is Griff Nielsen with Lifelong Fitness, and on behalf of Young Automotive and its partners, we have been putting together at-home workouts that I hope you enjoy. They're power-packed, they're safe, they're professionally written, and today what we want to do in this last segment is just go through a few outside of the box ways of working out. You know, we tend to think in our minds that we have to go into a gym, right? We've got to walk in there and we've got to pay our membership dues. This is a conditioned way of thinking that ought not be. So what I want to show you today is just some simple things that you can do at home that will keep your heart rate up. I'm not going to show you all the exercises, but just give you an idea of what is possible, okay? So if we look at any number of household items, let's take soup cans, okay? Simple soup cans. What we can do is we can activate just about every upper body muscle in our entire upper body just by doing boxing punches. Guarantee, ladies and gentlemen, if you do this for at least 45 seconds to a minute with good form, you're gonna leave huffing and puffing, right? Courtesy of Campbell's. So, not too bad there. Let's say, for example, if you've had a medicine ball, you can get a medicine ball. These are a little bit more formal exercise equipment, but you don't need it, right? If you're just starting out, maybe you do something with a basketball. Now you can do any sort of, like you can do a push-up. If you're intermediate or more advanced, you can use this as literally as a medicine ball. But what I'm doing here is I'm activating my core, my arms, everything, just with a basketball, okay? You can also do things like a squat to press. Anything on YouTube that you see them doing with dumbbells, you can convert into with a basketball, with a soccer ball. Obviously, there's limitations with the amount of weight that you can use, and that's where you could get into dumbbells. But for beginners, not a bad option, okay? As far as a stepping stool, there's any number of things that you can do. Just make sure that it's on a steady surface. When you're doing any kind of stepping, make sure that your core is braced. Come all the way up into it, and you can do any kind of alternating, or if you want to do some squats on it for stability, that's fine. Just be creative. Make sure that you're safe with it. You want to make sure that you're creating a stable surface, and then above and beyond that, just use common sense. Any kind of bench, here we go, is going to be great. If you've got dumbbells, you can obviously do 50 plus exercises with your upper body, anywhere from like a chest press to a dumbbell row, but even without dumbbells, okay? And that's the most important part. We can work your arms. We can do triceps. We can come down, keep your chest up, work your triceps. If you're beginning, we can go here. We can do a push-up on a bench. Same thing with a chair, no problem. We can use a bench, we can do core, we can do any kind of core exercise on a bench. We can do side laterals. Again, the sky's the limit. My best advice, having done this for 20 years, is get onto YouTube, look for some home-based exercises, and just look what you have. What is your inventory? What can you do with that? Wanted to show you some other things. I'd highly encourage you to get a set of TheraBands, Resistabands, whatever you want to call them. Most of them will come with a door jamb, or a door latch rather. You put it into the door jamb, thread this through, and you can do any number. It comes with DVDs and all sorts of instructional videos. There's a million YouTube videos where you can do any kind of upper body, shoulders, lower body. I mean, you can do squats, squat to press. There's any number of exercises. Almost the sky's the limit with the TheraBand. These are all the rage today. These are hip bands. You can put them up. You can do all sorts of like strengthening the inner outer thighs, glutes, quads. And again, you buy one of these, you'll obviously get like a little program that shows you how to do them as well. So just make sure you follow those leads. Oh, yes, my personal favorite, okay? The TRX system is, in my opinion, the most important piece of exercise equipment and cheapest for a home gym, okay? So I think a home base is like 90 bucks, maybe it's a little bit more, and it comes with a door jamb, so just like this. You can literally do like over 500 exercises on a TRX. It's amazing. You can go beginning level all the way up to super advanced. We're talking like elite level strength. It is by far, in my opinion, 10 times better than a multi-$1,000 home-based gym. So keep it real, keep it cheap. If you want to do that, that's great, but you don't need to, okay? Other little simple ideas, weighted backpack. I mean, you can do weighted squats, lunges, you know, duck walks. I mean, there's all sorts of things you can do just to weight yourself down naturally, okay? Bag of potatoes. This is not obviously a bag of potatoes, but there's all sorts of rowing exercises that you can do. You can do core exercises with it. You can do pressing exercises with it. You can do curling exercises with it. You can do tricep extensions with it. All sorts of different angles. With any one of these modalities, you look at any videos on these, you're gonna find 50 plus exercises. Same thing with the potato bag, or the sandbag. Just look for sandbag and convert that to potatoes, and you're good, and you've saved yourself 150 bucks. Backpack exercises, step ups, you got your chair. Swiss ball's pretty universal. Sky's the limit, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Be creative, have fun, stay safe, and most of all, just stay healthy. I think we forget during these times of quarantine, these hard times, that we need to give our immune system a good break, and this is a great way to do it. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you for letting me instruct you. Remember, life is good, and we'll see you in a minute. Hello, my friends. It is Griff Nilsson with Lifelong Fitness, and on behalf of the Young Automotive Group, I just want to remind you that we have other videos that you can check out. So be on the lookout, keep those eyes open. The workout videos are coming. You're going to love them. So remember, stay safe, stay calm, think young, think health, and we will see you in those videos.